Welcome to our video, where we explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence. From advancements in machine learning to the latest developments in natural language processing, we'll take a closer look at how AI is shaping our world. As you watch, remember to subscribe and like our video to support our efforts in bringing you the latest and greatest in AI research and development. Your support helps us continue to create cutting-edge content and make the most of the technology of the future. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Brain duplication, also known as mind uploading or whole brain emulation, is the hypothetical process of transferring the contents of a person's brain, including their thoughts, memories, and personality, onto a computer. This concept has long been a popular topic in science fiction, but recent advances in artificial intelligence, AI, have led some researchers to believe that brain duplication using AI may become a reality in the near future. The process of brain duplication using AI would involve scanning the brain's neural connections and activity patterns, creating a digital replica of the brain's structure and function. This replica could then be uploaded to a computer or other digital medium, allowing the person's consciousness to continue living in a digital format. One of the main challenges of brain duplication using AI is the complexity of the human brain. The brain contains billions of neurons and trillions of synapses, and researchers have yet to develop an imaging technique that can capture this level of detail with sufficient accuracy. However, some researchers are exploring new imaging techniques, such as using high-resolution electron microscopy to map brain tissue at the nanometer scale. Another challenge is the computational power required to simulate a human brain. The brain is a massively parallel computing system, meaning that many different processes are happening simultaneously. To create an accurate digital replica of the brain, a computer would need to be able to simulate these processes in real time. While current supercomputers are capable of some brain simulations, they are still far from achieving the level of computational power required for full brain duplication. Despite these challenges, some researchers remain optimistic about the possibility of brain duplication using AI. They argue that advances in AI and neuroscience will eventually make it possible to create digital replicas of the brain that are indistinguishable from real brains. One potential application of brain duplication using AI is in the field of life extension. If a person's brain could be uploaded to a digital medium, it could theoretically continue functioning long after the person's physical body has died. This could allow people to live indefinitely in a digital form, essentially achieving immortality. However, the idea of living forever in a digital format raises a number of ethical and philosophical questions. For example, what would happen to a person's consciousness if their digital medium were destroyed or lost? Would the digital version of a person be considered a separate entity from the original person? Would a digital version of a person have the same legal rights and protections as a physical person? Another potential application of brain duplication using AI is in the field of AI research itself. By creating digital replicas of human brains, researchers could gain a better understanding of how the brain works and how to build more sophisticated AI systems. This could lead to major breakthroughs in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. There are also potential medical applications of brain duplication using AI. For example, a digital replica of a person's brain could be used to test new drugs or treatments without putting the person at risk. Additionally, brain duplication could be used to restore lost memories or cognitive abilities in people who have suffered brain damage or neurodegenerative diseases. Despite the potential benefits of brain duplication using AI, there are also many concerns about the ethical and social implications of the technology. For example, some people worry that brain duplication could lead to a loss of individual identity or that it could be used to create digital copies of people without their consent. Additionally, brain duplication could exacerbate existing inequalities, as only the wealthiest people would be able to afford the technology. There are also concerns about the safety and security of digital brains. For example, what would happen if a digital brain were hacked or manipulated? Could a digital brain be used as a tool for surveillance or control? Furthermore, brain duplication using AI raises a number of philosophical questions about the nature of consciousness and identity. For example, if a person's brain is duplicated onto a digital medium, would the resulting digital consciousness be considered the same person as the original? Or would it be a new entity entirely? Some argue that the duplication process would essentially create a copy of the person, rather than transferring their consciousness, meaning that the digital version of the person would not actually be them. There are also questions about the potential impact of brain duplication on society as a whole. For example, what would happen if a significant portion of the population opted to have their brains duplicated onto digital mediums? Would this lead to a society where people live primarily in digital spaces, rather than physical ones? And how would this impact traditional social structures and relationships? Despite these concerns, there are some who argue that brain duplication using AI could be a valuable tool for exploring the nature of consciousness and the mind. By creating digital replicas of human brains, researchers could gain a better understanding of how the brain works and how it gives rise to consciousness. This could have important implications for fields such as psychology, neuroscience, and philosophy. One potential benefit of brain duplication using AI is that it could allow people to continue to learn and grow even after their physical bodies have deteriorated. For example, a digital version of a person could continue to read books, learn new skills, and interact with others in a digital environment. This could potentially lead to new opportunities for education and personal growth, as well as new forms of social connection and community. Another potential benefit is that brain duplication could provide a way to preserve the knowledge and experiences of individuals for future generations. By creating digital replicas of the brains of notable individuals, such as scientists, artists, and historians, we could ensure that their knowledge and insights are not lost to future generations. Ultimately, the possibility of brain duplication using AI raises many complex ethical, social, and philosophical questions. As with any new technology, it is important to carefully consider the potential risks and benefits before moving forward. However, with continued advances in AI and neuroscience, it is possible that brain duplication may become a reality in the not-too-distant future, offering new opportunities for research, education, and personal growth. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. As a reminder, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on the video. Your support and engagement helps us continue to create high-quality content using artificial intelligence. We appreciate your interest in our work and look forward to connecting with you in the future. See you in the future.